warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope all of you fine and ready studying with me. In this meeting, we are going to learn about degree comparison and special positive degree. But before we study about positive degree, we learn about adjective. Attention please. Adjective atau yang biasa kita sebut dengan kata sifat. Adjectives are words that describe the qualities or state of being of nouns. Artinya, kata sifat adalah kata-kata yang menggambarkan kualitas atau keadaan dari kata benda. Like example, seperti contoh, big, besar, small, kecil, stupid, bodoh, young, muda, fun, menyenangkan, fast, cepat. Adjective, they can also describe the quantity of nouns, many, few, millions, tens. Kata sifat juga bisa menggambarkan kuantitas dari kata benda, like many, banyak, few, sedikit, thousands, ribuan, tens, puluhan. Adjective plus noun. Fungsi adjektif atau kata sifat untuk mendeskripsikan kata benda noun. Example, student, the meaning is murid. Student adalah noun atau kata benda. Smart, the meaning is cerdas. Smart is adjective atau kata sifat. So, when we connect, kita gabung, kita gunakan rumusnya adjective plus noun. Jadi adjective harus diletakkan di depan sebelum kata noun. Smart student, murid yang cerdas. The function of adjective to describe about noun. Jadi fungsi dari adjective adalah untuk mendeskripsikan kata benda. Look at the table. In the first column there is noun, and then the second column there is adjective, and then the third column adjective plus noun. Okay. Number 1, noun, car. Adjective red, adjective plus noun, red car. Number 2, grass as noun, green as adjective. Adjective plus noun, green grass. Number 3, noun clothes, expensive as adjective, adjective plus noun, expensive clothes. Food as noun, adjective cheap, adjective plus noun, cheap food. Teacher as noun, kind as adjective, adjective plus noun, kind teacher. Sugar as noun, a little as adjective, adjective plus noun, little sugar. To describe about positive degree atau kalimat perbandingan biasa, the pattern S plus adjective plus S. Arti S yang pertama adalah sama dan S yang kedua artinya seperti. Jadi S plus adjective plus S artinya sama titik-titik seperti. Nah, titik-titiknya ini kita isi dengan kata sifat. Like example, David is tall, my brother is tall. Ketika dua kalimat ini kita gabungkan, maka David is as tall as my brother. David sama tinggi seperti saudara laki-lakiku. Okay, look at the other example. Aura is beautiful. Aulia is beautiful. Kita gunakan pattern S bla 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 S. Aura is as beautiful as Aulia. Artinya Aura sama cantik seperti Aulia. Next example, David is 172 cm. Andre is 172 cm. So, when we connect together, David is as tall as Andre. My grandfather is 65 years old. My grandmother is 65 years old. So, when we connect together with pattern S blah 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 S, my grandfather is as old as my grandmother. Okay, student, understand about my explanation? I think it's easy about this material, and then you have two tasks for you. Please do by yourself and then send to me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.